everybody, welcome back to Makeup Reality, and if you guessed this is an unboxing video, well, you are correct. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I recently started this subscription. As you all have seen in my previous video about BoxyCharm, I have stopped BoxyCharm. I've canceled my subscription for a little bit. The reasons are in that video. I don't want to get into all that right now. I just want to focus on this Ipsy because I am so excited to unbox this for you guys and see what we got in this month's box. This is the June box, and we're going to jump right into getting what's inside. So, let's take a look. Again, this is the, just want to reiterate, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this actually was a $25 subscription, and you get 5 full-sized makeup products per month. And I've heard really good things about this month, so that's why I'm like really stoked to get into it. I'm like, yes, I've heard this is a really good box and that they've had some pretty, not so great boxes before this, but I heard the month of June was pretty off the hook. I know that's an old term, but I'm going to use it anyways. Let's jump in. Let's see what we got first. So I'm just going to show you guys the first impressions. It says, discover yourself. And we got this orange piece of foam here. And we got this cute little card. It says, making waves. I guess that is the theme for this month's box. Right off the bat, I am noticing we got the Flesh. It's called Flesh to Flesh Highlighting Powder. And that is what it looks like. It's a pretty big size. My hands are pretty medium, average size for a girl. So this is the packaging of the highlighter. I think that is absolutely adorable. It's pretty, durable, I feel like. Oh, and that is gorgeous. So that is what the highlighter looks like. That is like a really pink, like blush color, like a blush pink shade. Let's swatch this sucker. All right, so that is the swatch of the Flesh highlighter. That is really pretty. I kind of want to get a little highlighter brush and try her out. She's pretty dusty though, just so you guys are aware. So that's really pretty. It's a really pretty color actually. Oh, she is blinding. Hello. Put a little bit on the nose. That is really pretty. That's like a very light pink. I like that. I think that's really cute. I don't know how much this retails for. It doesn't say on the card or anything. It doesn't say anything about the prices or anything, so I'm not sure what the price of this is. But we have the next thing, which looks like it is a eyeliner, and it looks like just a, black eyeliner. I've got like fingerprints of highlighter all over it, but that is what it looks like. It is a Racial. If I'm saying that wrong, I'm so sorry. That's really, really cute. Okay, so that is just like a felt tip eyeliner. I actually needed one of these, and I know these are pretty classic to get in these subscription boxes, so I'm not mad at that. I needed a new one. It looks super cute. So it's actually not bad. It's really fine tipped. So that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, well, I'm not mad so far. What is this? All right, it is, the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Yes, ma'am. We love a good Dr. Brandt moment, especially a primer. I don't need more primer. I want more primer. I need to learn the difference between that. let's check her out. Okay, that is super cute. I love the packaging. I don't expect anything less, of course, from Dr. Brandt. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's like a little flesh-toned primer. Rubs in really good. Ooh, and it smells really good. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It's like, I don't know how to explain it even. It smells really good though. It's not a really, like a bad scent at all, so I'm pretty happy with that. So there, we got and I'm sure this was a pretty penny because most of their Dr. Brandt products are pretty expensive. Let's see, next, we've got some face masks. We've got 2 packages of them, and they're the Wake Pure calming masks, and it looks like there's different types of masks. So I did get 2 packs of these, which I am a face mask hoarder. Let's move on. Face masks aren't that exciting for an unboxing, but my choice item was the Ciate London Marbled Metals single eyeshadow, and I've been super excited. It's in the shade Wicked, so that's a pretty nice packaging. It's very heavy, so it feels really durable. And then it's got this little, like, I guess, stopper thing here, so it kind of just presses the product down and keeps it in check. And it's like really creamy. I like that. We're gonna put it right over the primer. What a perfect way to test. That is such a pretty purpley color. That is really pretty. I like that. Yes. So that would be like, it's super pigmented, so like a one swipe situation is perfect for this. And it looks like there's quite a bit of product in there, so it'll last a long time. So that is super cool. And then lastly, but not least, is the bag that I've been really excited about for some reason. I am a bag hoarder, and this is adorable. It looks like it feels well made, and it is like these, you know, girls just on their little beach towel, just suntanning. I feel like just doing their thing in the beach, just relaxing. So that is super cute. It's a nice size bag. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a little Ipsy tag on the inside, so that is cute. You know where it came from. Just like later on down the road, you're like, where did I get all these bags? Oh yeah, Ipsy. So that's a good idea, honestly. I like that. The color is like a greenish, kind of like a chlorine pool green, if you know what I'm saying. So that's really cute. I'm really super impressed with this box. When they said that June was a good month, I mean, I couldn't ask for anything better. I think that is pretty good. I mean, it gave me a good mixture of things. Like, I didn't get the same category of things. Like, I didn't get 2 eyeshadow palettes, or I didn't get 2 highlighters in one box. I got, let's just do a quick recap. I've got a primer from Dr. Brandt. I got the black eyeliner from I don't know how to say it. I'm not going to butcher that name again. But I got this black felt tip liner, which super cute. I love that. We got the Ciate London eyeshadow. Yep, that. We got a really stunning highlighter, which I'm really excited about. I don't know where to put it. And then we got the 2 packages of the face masks. These are sheet masks, it looks like, as well. So, yes, we got a really good array of products, and of course, we got the bag. I am super impressed, and thank you, Ipsy, for having a good month. This was my first month having Ipsy, so I'm pretty excited, and I'm excited for next month. I'm thinking about doing the ultimate, alternating the ultimate box from Ipsy. Let me know if you guys want to see that or not. If you want to see like 1 month we get the ultimate and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, or 1 month we do all 3, or like let me know what you guys want to see. Just comment down below what your preference is, what you guys think I should do, and I know for sure I will be keeping the Glam Bag Plus for now, and we'll be keeping that every month, and I will do an unboxing when I get that. Just let me know if you guys want me to do like a mixture of all 3 1 month or 2 of them. Just pull your vote down below, and we will take it into consideration what my pocketbooks want to do at that time, because all 3 was really expensive. But, oh, and if you are commenting on my beautiful eye work, there is going to be a video up of how I achieved this look soon, so go check it out. If I haven't already got it up, just look out for it. I'll have it up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys always, and we will see you on the next video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're not, because it's a really fun channel, and we are just a bunch of goofballs around here. We love to joke, we love to play around, and we love to do makeup. That's what my life revolves around, mostly. So thank you guys. I appreciate you. Have yourself a fantastic rest of your day. Mwah!